Welcome back, everybody, to my DIY. It's been a hot minute. We have here a, let's see, it's the Keurig K Mini. It's a single serving. Obviously, most Keurigs are single serving, but it's a very specific single serving Keurig. We have been out of the Keurig game for quite a while. I've done some videos way in the past with Keurig and how to clean them, but this is more about a unboxing and see what this new thing that they are selling can do. We'll unbox it now. Empty. Got the usual tape on here to keep everything secure in transit. Take this stuff off and we'll plug it in. About 1.5 feet, 2 feet. I need to get an extension cord to even try it out for this video. It doesn't reach, but there's looks to be one setting. Wonder if it's about how much water you put in. Find out. This is the Studio Gray color that we got with it. We thought it would go well in our kitchen. I think there is a white, probably a black as well, maybe a red. I forget exactly what was all on the shelf when we picked this one up. It was $60 on sale. Normally, I believe it's $90. That was a pretty good deal for what you're getting, the instant coffee. I wanted to see specifically for this video how instant actually is the coffee. So we'll go and try it now. And that's how it's done. I am cautiously optimistic. It seemed pretty easy. Again, you put in the water in, put the K-cup in, and you're good to go. And just so you are aware, it used up all the water that was in the reservoir. So as long as you are going in between 6, the minimum, and 12 for the pure brew, that's how much actual water you'll get in your cup. So if you want a bigger cup, go for the 12. Obviously, you want smaller, go for the 6. But as I understand it, it's going to be either weaker or stronger based on how much water you're putting in. So please also take that into account. Cheers. It tastes like a K-cup. The coffee itself tastes a little dry, but that's not the Keurig's fault, that's the K-cup's fault. So I'll talk to my friends over at Caribou Coffee and see what we can come up with. But Disney Cup, not sponsored, but would consider the option if they were to contact me. Great, good video. Guess what's probably up for you to decide. I like this video. It was fun to bring the camera back out and do something for this channel. Again, as always, thank you for stopping by. Comment, like, and subscribe. And any questions about this thing, let me know, and I'll happy to answer them. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.